Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss some of the concepts in statics and we are going to focus on the balancing forces that we encounter while working out the problem in statics. First of all, what is the term statics? Now, as the name suggests, if an object is motionless or if it is in the state of rest, then it is said to be static. Now, statics is a branch of mechanics that deals with the object or a system which is in state of equilibrium. Now, first type of balancing force that we are going to discuss is the normal reaction force. Now, first of all, what are the different types of forces in nature? Now, there are four fundamental forces of nature. Those are electromagnetic force, weak interaction force, strong interaction force, and gravitational force. Now, out of these four forces, three of them occur at a smaller scale, like nuclear and atomic scale. These forces are electromagnetic force, weak interaction, and strong interaction forces. Only the gravitational force act between two larger objects. Normal reaction is what type of force? Normal reaction is a electromagnetic force. Electromagnetic in nature. Normal reaction is a constant force. Say for example, a block is resting on this surface. The block will exert a normal reaction force to this surface, and in turn the surface will exert an equal and opposite reaction to this block. Now, as we have discussed that the normal reaction is an electromagnetic force and electromagnetic force occur in a very small scale, then why a normal reaction force exists for this block? If you look closely, then the block is made out of atoms. All the objects in this universe are made out of atoms, and at the contact surface, the atom from this block squeeze against the atom in this surface, and in turn an electromagnetic force is developed. So that is why the atoms squeeze till the point where an equal and opposite force act on either side. The normal reaction force is constant in nature. And finally, the third point is that the normal reaction is a pushing force, or you can say it is always pushing. That means the block will exert a normal reaction to this surface, and in turn the surface will exert a normal reaction to this block. As I have explained that the atoms that is there are squeezing against each other. So it is like a spring. When a spring gets squeezed, it will exert a resisting force. Here the block is experiencing a normal reaction force, as well as the block has its own weight. So you can isolate the block like this. This is a normal reaction force and a weight is acting. So this can be considered as the free body diagram in this case when a block is resting on the surface. Now here it appears as if that the normal reaction is equal to mass into gravity, but you should note the fact that an object is resting on the surface of the earth. The weight is getting balanced actually at the center of the earth, and the normal reaction is getting balanced in this manner. This normal reaction is equal to this, and let us investigate this case. There is a lift, and inside the lift there is a person. This lift is moving in an upward direction with an acceleration of 5 meters per second square. Now, and the mass of this person is m. We know the fact that the person will exert a normal reaction to the lift, and the lift will exert equal and opposite reaction to the person. So we can isolate the person. This is the normal reaction getting acted on the person, and this is the weight of the person. Now, since the frame where the person is standing is getting accelerated in upward direction, so by Newton's law we know that the net force is equal to mass into acceleration, and it is getting accelerated in this direction, so we can write m minus mg is equal to ma. Here normal reaction is coming out to be mass equal to a plus g. So we know the fact that gravity is equal to approximately equal to 10 meter per second square. So this is 15 m. The actual weight of the person is m into 10, that is 10 m. But here, when the case where the person is inside the lift, is weight has become equal to 15 m.
So as the lift is moving upward, the person will experience as if his weight has become more.